can get beyond the bricks of regret. Please take me to that place again. Take me where stiff becomes velvet, our clothes are soaking wet. Please take me to that place again, the place we all know that. Take me, I'll train my mind to be a loyal, gentle pet. Please take me to the endless road of every silly step. I swear to you, my love, I'll do the best I can. I swear to you, my love, after this hurricane, take me, 'cause past left here its ashes. I feel my inside crashes. I don't wanna be led by fear. I'll make this coast now clear me. I'm reaching out for life, yet I don't wanna be a sacrifice, a warrior. I just wanna be me. I swear to you, my love, I'll do the best I can. I swear to you, my love, after this hurricane, bless me, a kiss out of this mess me. I'm dancing myself out, I'm dancing myself in. I'm glancing at the storm of the puberty we're in.